It's Tuesday. I'm going to school. I was gonna wake up a little bit more early, but I didn't. Into Sarah, and yesterday her mom tested positive, so she had to do a test. And yeah, she asked like, when do you have class? So we do lunch together because I don't see her anymore because we have different schedules. It's not my movie day. I'm not making a lot of film, but I was talking to my friend Sarah today at school and after school because I don't see her a lot. So I think we talked for like 2 hours or 3 hours. We went to get coffee. I didn't film it. And now it's late and I still have to finish the classes. But Sarah is also very important and it's some time off. So, okay. But now I'm going to I finished my classes. I got all the information I can get from the library at school. I'm gonna do my classes and then I'm normally finished for today. I was thinking about taking a coffee, but yesterday that was bad for me. I drink so much coffee in the evening I couldn't sleep. So I was working all day. I didn't film it. Yeah. I didn't take the time to do that. I was working on my activities, and yeah, I photoshopped all these pictures, and then you write out the scenario, and then this is everything I want to print. Yeah, that was. I have like 6 classes like this, so yeah, it's a lot of work. But that's what I was doing the whole time. I looked a little bit of television and I ate some bread with cheese. But it was a very uneventful day. No, it was actually a very eventful day. I was, I talked a lot with my friend Sarah. I hate this. I hear this a lot when I'm looking at my videos again. I hear it. But this is really annoying. But yeah, now because I'm sick, my lips are really dried out. So yeah, but it's not an excuse. I really don't like it. So no, I was with Sarah all day. We were talking a lot about school, about class, about internship. Yeah, we don't see each other. Normally we see each other like every 2 days. But now it's, next time I see her, it's in 1 week and a half. I think Thursday next week. It's, whoa, that's a long time. So I miss her. Today it was the birthday of the boyfriend of Claudia, Dion, and I said hello, but I forgot to film anything. I went there for like 1 hour. I just want to visit the other friend that lives there too, Anne. And yeah, she was busy and she was really sick, so we were talking through the window on the phone. And then yeah, they were upstairs. It was the birthday, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna say hi and then I'm go. So yeah, I was really went in quick and went out. So and now yeah, I'm gonna watch some. I'm gonna watch some television. Tomorrow I'm going back to internship school. I sent my lessons to my mentor, and yeah, I'm a little bit scared, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I don't have to be scared. It's fine, but every beginning is difficult or something. I don't know. It feels that way a little bit. And I'm also a little bit overwhelmed by all the things I have to do. Yesterday we had this class in the evening and it was a really long class. It was super interesting. It was like this student from last year. She presented her project, but it's such a big project also, and it comes on top of everything else. Also, I don't have a lot of courses, so I don't know. It feels like my head is gonna explode, but I'm trying to. I made a little planning for like in the next 3 weeks. So I touched every course again and worked it till where I can go. So yeah, that's today. It's not a very interesting day. So yeah. We will see something if something happens.